everybody, and welcome to the Doncaster Motorcycles YouTube channel. Did you see the picture at the beginning of this video of some Budget and Scarpa's repair? So obviously this bike wouldn't start. I'm pretty confident, so I've just put that in just for now. I'm going to test it. I think that now... Sorry, just messing with my tripod. The moment of truth looms. So yes, it's in for a service and it wouldn't start. Well, as you saw at the beginning of this video, the picture of the starter, it looks like a starter cup that an alarm's been removed from before. So they've done a really bad job of repairing it. So I put a temporary fix in, a little bit of a long wire. Let's see if she fires up. Pretty confident. It's got a new battery, the battery's completely dead as well. Fuel pump's good sound, we had that before, we just didn't have any starter button. As far as she runs, I'm going to have to get extraction. It's kicking some out, I don't know. The exhaust is full of water for some reason. But we'll get rid of that. So the good thing is she runs.